Beneath the lush canopy of our world lies an unseen battlefield. Here in the soil's depth, life and death intertwine in a microscopic dance. Welcome to the realm of soil ecosystems, home to viruses and nematodes, the unnoticed champions and foes beneath our feet. Viruses, though tiny, are mighty. They're the most abundant life forms, shaping the microbial world by transferring genes and controlling populations. Nematodes, with their sleek forms, tread softly, yet impact profoundly, balancing the underground life. Imagine a world beneath ours, where soil viruses, tiny yet influential, drive the narrative of life. These entities, far from their notorious kin, play a crucial role as nature's regulators, binding the soil's story together. Delving deeper, we discover viruses in vast numbers, warriors in a constant struggle of creation and destruction. They're not merely inhabitants, they sculpt the microbial community, fostering biodiversity and protecting plant health. Amidst this intricate web, nematodes journey through soil, vital yet unheralded. These minute invertebrates, thriving in the richness of the topsoil, play a key role in nurturing and protecting our planet's underground ecosystems. With each microscopic movement, nematodes foster life, aiding in decomposition and nutrient cycling. Yet their story is dual, as their abundance can threaten the very balance they help to maintain, revealing the delicate dance of life beneath us. Beneath our gardens, an unseen symphony plays out, where viruses and nematodes orchestrate a balance crucial for soil vitality. Their microscopic interactions weave a complex narrative essential for the health of our planet. In this hidden realm, every action carries weight. Viruses facilitate gene transfer, subtly altering life's fabric, while nematodes, diverse in their roles, ensure the soil's fertility and structure, spotlighting the fragile equilibrium underground. Our journey unveils the stark dualities of soil's smallest inhabitants, viruses and nematodes. Their unseen influence is a testament to the interconnectedness of life, echoing the need for deeper understanding and respect for our planet's fragile underpinnings. In grasping the essence of these microscopic beings, we uncover avenues for advancing soil health and safeguarding our agricultural future. Let's marvel at the unseen, continuing to explore the world beneath, where discoveries await in every grain of soil.